Hey guys, it's Wes here with Auto Technology Repair and Highline Car Care. Today we've got a 15 Toyota Highlander with a cracked screen there. Looks like somebody might have gotten frustrated or pushed too hard. Anyhow, we're going to replace the touchscreen digitizer. Touchscreen digitizer is the outer layer of your touchscreen. It's responsible for the touch functions. Looks just like that. So I've gotten a little ahead of myself here. I've just removed this guy, unplugged these 3 cables here. I took off the 2 side brackets that hold it into the vehicle. And I have also removed the 4 screws that hold this faceplate onto the rest of the unit. So from here, I'm just gonna kind of gently pry up these locking tabs. You want to be careful when this comes apart because you've got a ribbon cable that is attached to faceplate. You don't want to just yank it out of there. It'd be kind of tricky getting all of these released at the same time. That's right. It's been a while since I've done one of these. What you've got here is this piece of tape right here needs to come off. And you've got one last Phillips screw in there that's holding it on. And now that we've got all 5 screws removed, it'll come right off. You can see here, we've got 2 ribbon cables. Don't pull on them too hard, but what you want to do is flip the black latches upwards gently with a screwdriver. That's going to allow these to release. There's that 5th screw coming out right there. So we can set this part aside. Now we're looking at the faceplate, which has the LCD screen, a couple circuit boards, and the digitizer. We're going to want to separate these 2 ribbon cables from the side circuit boards. We've got both of those ribbon cables detached. We're going to unhook this antenna right here, which is just pull this upwards very gently. We'll just leave this on the faceplate as we remove the screen. From here, we've got 4 screws holding the LCD on. Oh, that's right, we've got one more ribbon cable we want to release here. This little guy. This is going to allow us to remove that. Leave that somewhere safe. Okay, so now we can see we've got the LCD screen and the digitizer. This digitizer is still held on by a little ribbon cable right here. We might be able to sneak it out without taking this plate off. Now let's just take this metal plate off really quick. All right. It's giving me a little bit of a fight coming out, but we can still flip this latch off without removing it all the way. So that's released. Now we've got LCD screen and the broken digitizer. We're gonna go ahead and replace the digitizer, put it all back together, and I have our customer back on the road here shortly. If you want to do this repair yourself, check us out at autotechnologyrepair.com. We've got these available for purchase, or you can ship them to us. That's autotechnologyrepair.com.